Imagine walking through the heart of Tehran, where history and culture collide in a lively market street. But there's something you might not know. Iran, right now, is going through tough economic times. The value of the rial is plummeting, with $1 worth around 820,000 rials, or 82,000 tomans. For many, this has created huge challenges, especially for the poorer citizens. Despite these struggles, people still come to the markets. Why? Because even in tough times, they seek quality goods, affordable luxuries, and a sense of connection to their culture. Tajrish is one of those places where even with the rising costs, people find a way to gather, shop, and enjoy life. Hello everyone, welcome to Diaco Travel. Today we're going to explore the incredible market of Tajrish in Tehran, a place where you can feel the pulse of the city. This market, which has been around for centuries, isn't just a place to shop. It's where you experience the heart of Tehran's culture. Stick around as we walk through these vibrant streets, where the history of the city meets the spirit of its people. As we walk through the bazaar, you'll notice the energy in the air. People haggling, chatting, and going about their daily lives. Despite the tough economic conditions where inflation and rising prices have hit the poorest the hardest, there's a sense of community here. People still come to Tajrish for the quality of the goods, the authenticity of the products, and the rich culture that fills the streets. From fresh fruits to beautiful carpets, the market is full of life. The cost of living in Tehran has been a challenge, especially with the dollar exchange rate so high. At 820,000 rials per dollar, 82,000 tomans, many people are struggling to make ends meet. Yet you'll still see people gathering here to enjoy the simple pleasures, whether it's a sweet treat from a street vendor or shopping for fresh produce. It's a testament to how resilient the people of Tehran are, always finding ways to celebrate life even when times are tough. Tajrish, however, is not just a market. It's a living piece of history. Did you know that the area has been an important part of Tehran since the Qajar dynasty? It's a place where you can see how modern Tehran blends with the remnants of its ancient past. The Tajrish Shrine, located nearby, is one of the most sacred places in Tehran, and it has a history that stretches back hundreds of years. What makes Tajrish unique is how it represents the spirit of the city, where old traditions exist alongside the new. You'll find a mix of old shops selling traditional spices and herbs alongside modern boutiques and trendy cafes. This blend of old and new reflects the dynamic culture of Tehran, and the people here are proud of their roots. Even with the steep prices, Tajrish remains one of the most popular places to shop and explore. People may have to budget carefully, but the market continues to attract locals and tourists alike. The resilience of Tehran citizens is reflected in their ability to enjoy life, even when things aren't easy. For those visiting, Tajrish offers more than just shopping. It's a place where you can taste authentic Persian food, buy handmade crafts, and even explore hidden corners of the market that most tourists never see. The charm of Tajrish lies in the little details, whether it's the sound of bargaining in the air or the intricate designs of Persian rugs. So while the economic situation may be difficult, it doesn't stop people from living, enjoying their culture, and preserving their traditions. Tajrish remains a beacon of that resilience, and it's a place you should definitely explore if you ever find yourself in Tehran. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, drop a comment below and let me know, what's your favorite part of Tehran's markets? And if you want to see more about Tehran, especially Tajrish Square, the famous Imamzadeh Saleh, and the vibrant streets around, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned for all the incredible stories I have to share.
Alvaro 240 Alvaro آهار آلبالو که راه کن دولار چیه ایران برو پیش رایم بشین
بابا این چی خونه